Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this Volvo Xc60 today in the garage, and you can see we have installed a 9-inch screen. Here you can see the wide screen in this car. From factory it has only half display from here to here. This car is 2017 year model, so we have changed its original display, all functions to the new generation, or we have upgraded its original screen. Plus the customer gets Apple Carplay Android Auto, both are wireless and free with the screen. So we have the CarPlay solutions as well for original system, but this is the replacement of the original screen with the touch screen. So here you can see, first of all, we have all the original informations like car settings, like you can see media, my car. Like here you can see all the original information, distance warning, line department warning, like the bliss functions, driver alert, collision warnings, everything, start stop buttons. Every original menu function is working here with the original steering wheel buttons, original parking sensors, back camera, everything is retained. The customer will not lose anything. So here I can shift the car to the media for the aux to use the original Android screen. If I tap here, so it will go to the Android home menu. So first of all, we have different apps on the home menu. Here you can see we have music. So you can see this car has the normal sound package, but if your car has the Harman Kardon and Bose sound system, it will work with our screens or original module systems for Apple CarPlay Android Auto. Here then we have music files, we have navigation. Right now navigation not set up because I have not installed, but it has the offline navigation for like offline usage. Then we have Bluetooth. In the Bluetooth you can connect a mobile phone for CarPlay. I have my iPhone here, I will connect with the Bluetooth. Here it's very easy, I'm connecting it for the first time. Here you can see it is connected. So then when I will go to the home button, home menu, I have in the apps. So here is the car link. It will wait for some settings to like verification will be approved. So here you can see all my applications are available here on the Apple CarPlay screen. So this is the biggest screen possible for the Porsche. We can install the 13-inch screen as well in this car, but it will not look so good. So that's the exact for its frame. So you can see we have changed its original frame with this aftermarket frame, and it's sitting exactly on its place. If we go to the Apple CarPlay, we have my phone, music, maps, messages, now playing, back button to go back again on the Android screen, podcast, audiobooks. We have Spotify, WhatsApp Business, we have Google Maps for like navigation. We have Sverige radio play, like it's a Swedish radio application that is mostly used in Sweden. We have at the last Waze for the navigation, another navigation app. If you have a Sajik, TomTom or any other navigation in your mobile phone, it will appear here. Here we can use the navigation for gas stations. I'm searching for gas station. It's a Shell pump near to me. We will go like here. So you can see how easily you can use the navigation for like you can adjust the resolution. You can it will be redirected or readjust its resolution when we will start moving the car. If we go again on the home menu, you can listen Spotify. Here on the right side and left side you can divide the screen like it's a split screen. So navigation is here. We will go back again on the Android screen menu. So you can see we have lots of other applications as well, plus all original functions, original features of the cars are working. Like if I turn off the auto parking, so then we will go for the climate control. So you can see it is working on the Android screen as well. Like the Canbus system of the car is working. You can adjust the volume, you can use the exit button, other buttons. Then we have like sound settings, radio, media, everything available on the car. Plus this side drive is also working, like here you can see with this car's original system. We have Bluetooth settings for some original car options, Wi-Fi you can use. We have installed 2 USB slots here, plus 1 SIM card slot for the internet usage. Then we have if you go like original video. You can play video or watch video while driving. So you can see this HD video, HD screen that supports high definition videos while driving. You can watch these while driving, it will not stop. So we have like car setup. This is the car setup settings, so you can adjust the car settings from here. Later it comes from the Canbus. Then we have a speedometer function that is connected with the GPS or the Canbus when we will drive, so it will work with the car. So right now it is stopped, but as you can see, my RPM is working. So if I will raise the car, so it will go up. If we go again on the home menu, we have more applications here. We have aux, we have calculator, we have car link for Apple CarPlay, file manager, we have operational guide, little bit touch assistant we have here, vehicle settings, then we have like YouTube, we have Play Store here. Here you can see, so we can download pretty much any kind of the application we need. So that's the screen for today. It's the same normal Android unit just for Volvo cars. We ship all over the world, USA, UK, Sweden, Norway. So if you have any queries or questions, you can email us. Our email address is sale@tereteknik.se, or I will provide all the contact information in the description below. So here's the screen for today. If you have any questions, we are located in Malmvägen 18D, Sollentuna, Stockholm, in the capital of Sweden. If you have any questions, queries, you can contact us. You can visit our shop. We're selling this screen for all year models. So all year models, it is compatible. In fact, it is compatible with all Volvo cars, and it's showing all Volvo menus in all Volvo cars. Even previous models like 2011-12, you can install this screen, so it will show the original menu in the car. That's the video for today. If you have any questions, so you can contact us. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.